Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and another Windows 12 idea and of course what people are asking for. This one is seen a lot and asked probably on the top of the list, and it all has to do with the way Windows updates happen. There were a couple of comments here on the channel about having Windows updates installed only when you wish to do so. Some are just asking, can Windows updates be more seamless, like a cell phone, where you don't even realize that you actually updated your device, except when it's asking you to restart because, or to enter your PIN, and that's the way I know mine is done. Is it's doing overnight, and I wake up in the morning, it says, oh, you have to enter your PIN to log in because we did an update. And I mean, it does it and so seamless, we don't even see anything happen, and we don't even realize that updates have been happening. This is something that a lot of people have been asking for Windows. We should be in Windows 12 past the time when people are afraid to click the update button because they might have been bitten by some bug in the past. And then they're like, well, I'm not sure I want to do this anymore. Of course, there are ways to customize a little bit right now, but some people, are tired of maybe having Windows interrupt what they're doing, gaming, whatever, and saying, oh, there's an update, you can restart now, we have an update, and so on. So seamless updates, more into the background, we don't really see it, but it happens. And better updates, of course. More updates that, won't break anything. A better way of updating the machine. They've already done quite a change in Windows 11 in having updates that are much smaller, actually, than what Windows 10 has, and that are, perform better, install faster. But let's push that into a more advanced category. Maybe give a little more relaxed installs for the user. For example, security updates are important. We know that, and they're usually better to be applied quite quickly. But maybe give the user the opportunity to say, well, can you just as it pops up, for example, can you just wait 2 days, 3 days before it installs? I want to just make sure that everything's going all right with everybody. And so anyways, better update, better quality updates. And, with the AI, the artificial intelligence and all of that, there's got to be today a way to have much safer updates and less problems. The majority of people don't have problems. But what we hear, and it's there. And let's try to make that even less of a problem, smaller updates if possible, and that is one of the priorities. A lot of people are asking for that, and better control of Windows Update also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.